Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to review Anua Heartleaf Pore Control Cleansing Oil. Yes, the trendiest cleansing oil all over the internet. And you can see मैंने इसको 6 महीने से ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल किया है. ये थोड़ा सा ही बच गया है. But जब भी आप कोई स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट खरीदते हैं तो you must look into the science behind it. See, it is a Korean based skincare product specifically formulated for Korean skin type. So we have to check that क्या ये इंडियन स्किन टाइप को सूट करेगा कि नहीं करेगा, एंड इफ इट डज तो वो कौन सी स्किन टाइप को सूट करेगा. वी शुड चेक इट. एंड इट क्लेम्स टू रिमूव द मेकअप, सनस्क्रीन, clogged pores and sebum. We will be seeing in the video that does it do what it claims. Everything in this one video. So stick to it. Let's get into the ingredient list first. We know that कि सबसे टॉप पे ingredient list में जो ingredient होता है, it has the highest concentration, and to the lowest we have the lowest concentration. So the first ingredient in this cleansing oil we have is ethyl exyl palmitate. It is comedogenic. It has comedogenic rating 3, but it is an emollient, ठीक है, and it removes the makeup very easily. So it is a great makeup remover, but it has comedogenic rating 3. That means it might not suit the acne prone skin type. Plus, it is first on the list. So acne prone skin, sensitive skin, comedogenic skin, you need to patch test. Second, we have sorbate 30, sorbitane. We have capric triglyceride. All are emulsified to soften the makeup and remove the makeup, sunscreen, everything all along, and all the oil, sweat that you have all over the skin. So अच्छे से तो साफ हो जाएगी स्किन. डेफिनेटली बहुत अच्छे से क्लेंजिंग एजेंट है. बेस इसका बहुत अच्छा है. ओनली प्रॉब्लम इज इथाइल एक्साइल पैलेमिटेट विच इज कॉमेडोजेनिक एंड यू नीड टू पैच टेस्ट, बट इट माइट सूट यू. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि नहीं करेगा. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन स्किन टू स्किन. नाउ वी हैव मॉइस्चराइजिंग ऑयल. वी हैव avocado oil, we have sunflower oil, we have olive oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, so many oil which can be nourishing to the skin, but for the oily or acne prone skin you need to patch test. Then we have botanical and active extract. We have turmeric, we have neem, we have heart leaf, we have tulsi leaf extract. So many extract which is good for all skin type, and it might help you in the longer run. So thumbs up for these ingredients. Now we have stabilizing agent. We have capric glycol, ethyl glycerine, we have vitamin E and perfume. So with all the ingredients that we have seen so far, it is good for dry skin, it is good for normal skin, but for oily skin you need to patch test, and if you're using it you must emulsify it. Otherwise it is a very great cleansing oil if we look only on the basis of ingredient. But acne prone and comedogenic skin needs to patch test and wait for 48 hours to see if there is any reaction or if there are any new acne popping out. That's now we will test that whether it will remove the waterproof mascara, eyeliner or not. If it removes, definitely it will remove all the sunscreen, makeup and dirt, because waterproof mascara and eyeliner are the strongest. तो ये वहाँ पर सूख गए हैं. अब इसमें ऑयल डाल रही हूँ. इसे इतना सफिशिएंट है, ज़्यादा डर गया. एंड लेट्स सी. Removing mascara तो निकल गया. Let's see the eyeliner. You need to dab it all out. All out. So yes, it is a great oil cleanser for removing makeup. और इसके बाद आप इसको अच्छे से emulsify करेंगे वाटर से और सब कुछ निकल जाएगा. All the residue, oil, makeup, sweat, dirt, pollutants, everything will be removed. So on the basis of cleansing, a thumbs up. Now coming to the main thing, my honest review. I have used it for more than 6 months and I believe it is a great product for removing makeup, great product for removing sunscreen, great product for cleansing the pore, removing the sebum. But if you are an acne prone girly or if you are someone who has high comedogenic risk, you need to patch test. But for dry skin people, because it suited my mother very well. And for normal skin type, amazing. This product is amazing for dry and normal skin type, but for oily acne prone skin you need to patch test. For like out of 100 it will suit you, like oily and acne prone skin, it will suit you 80%, definitely it will suit you, but you need to patch test. You should not take risk when it comes to your skin. So out of 10, on the basis of ingredient list, on the basis of removing makeup and my honest experience, I'll rate it about 8 out of 10 because it is an amazing product. You just need to patch test. I hope you liked my video, so do subscribe, and more videos are coming up, so do like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye.